Program Sarjana Muda Muzik direka untuk menyediakan pelajar dengan asas yang kukuh dalam teori dan praktis muzik. Bersama-sama dengan kursus penting dalam kemahiran praktikal, muzik dunia, muzik tradisional dan amalan persembahan bagi instrumen tradisional, piano dan vokal. Program ini juga menyediakan pelajar dengan latihan asas dalam pedagogi muzik dan pendidikan.
I myself chose pedagogy as my major in the 4-year program of music. So most of the time we are having a fun time with our lecturer because most of the class are quite interesting. This program actually prepares students for the future music industry by providing all the knowledge in practical sense and also the theoretical sense. So most of the people might think that learning music is only in Western ways, but no, in this program we also learn some other places music such as world music and also Malaysian music. Besides, we also learn how to play the gamelan. This program will make sure the students knows about the music from all the other places. For those who want to go into music education, this program will also provide all the information for it.
Bahagian seni muzik mempunyai ahli fakulti yang profesional yang terlibat dalam persembahan secara aktif. Ini memberi peluang kepada pelajar untuk membuat persembahan dengan artis tempatan dan antarabangsa. Setiap semester, kami akan menyediakan satu platform untuk pelajar membuat persembahan dan membuat muzik aktiviti seperti membuat persembahan dalam gamelan, choir dan juga ensemble kecil.
Besides the programs, there are also facilities that are provided by the school, such as the practice room, the libraries, and also the hall. So, the best thing about this is, all these facilities can be used by the student as much as they want. Throughout the 4-year program, there are also some activities that can be joined, such as the performance that can be watched, performance that you can participate in, and also workshop that you can join. Besides that, there are also many extracurricular activities that are available for the students.
Program ini menawarkan kursus latihan industri, membolehkan pelajar memperoleh pengalaman sebenar dalam industri.
This program also includes music pedagogy, which focus on early childhood education, and there are also some practical experience for the students to teach young children. So this is very good for those who want to become a teacher.